I used to think making money online required some secret strategy or some £2,000 to £5,000 courses. However, I was completely wrong. In the past few years, I have bought courses, I've spent hours, hundreds of hours on YouTube videos, and I have spent thousands on courses trying to figure out how to start an online business for beginners. Today, I'm breaking down the blueprint I wish I had from day one. And so you don't have to spend thousands, of pounds and hundreds of hours trying to figure out how to do it yourself. So I'm going to share 3 to 4 points here. The first one is the spam trap versus attracting. The second one is stop selling the company and start selling yourself, which is related to a content reality check. And the secret is in the system, not the hype. So the old school network marketing is slowly dying. Old school network marketing is where you are required to send hundreds of messages to people, contact your friends and family, go out and speak to people, strangers. That kind of did work, but it became tiresome. So instead of chasing, what's needed is digital products that attract people and find people that want what we're offering instead of us chasing people. Most people make £0 on just copying and pasting the system. Stop selling the company and start selling yourself. So one thing I've learned is people buy people. So build trust, build your brand, and once people trust you, they'll buy you. So 90% of the time is educating people and giving information and helping people. And 10% people will buy, once they trust you and you're offering help and advice on information and things that they need. And thirdly, the secret is in the system and not the hype. So finally, the biggest waste of time is on motivation and the hype. What I realized is that the 6-figure income earners, they're not just grinding hard, they actually have a system in place. They have a simple automated system which sends out automated emails, and it's actually doing the work while they're sleeping. If you don't build a system, especially a digital system, then you don't own a business, you have a stressful hobby. If you're building your first online income, subscribe and let's figure this out together. In the comments below, just tell me what you wish you had known before you started your network marketing business.